Hey guys, hi Instagram. Why should a business owner learn digital marketing? They have a lot of things to handle, like finance, like hiring, and there's so many things to hire. But so why should they learn digital marketing?
So one of the biggest reasons why businesses fail is they don't make enough sales
Okay.
to cover headcount. It is just true, right?
Revenue.
And revenue.
Yeah.
So how do you bring in revenue? Well, you can wait organically for people to come to you, but by learning marketing, you can actually drive traffic. Now, when you're first starting and you're small, you might not have money to employ a digital marketer or even engage an agency. So this is where learning how to do it on your own can really, really help you grow your business more efficiently. Now, once you actually have hit a certain scale, why understanding at the very least digital marketing is good is so it can help you hire the right people. I hate to say it, but there are a lot of con job digital marketers out there. There really are people who say, "Oh, I'm going to guarantee you sales," and that's a load of shit, right? That doesn't really happen. So, but by understanding digital marketing, really understanding the metrics, the KPIs, you're able to then assess and hire, even if you're going to go with an agency that is reputable, and you can actually track to see whether they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. Without a digital marketing understanding, you just actually get conned.
Yeah.